All right, Zach, what do you got?
I bought something.
Ooh.
Finally, I feel like I don't ever get to do unboxings because I don't really buy that much stuff.
Yeah.
But I gave in. I saw the body, and I needed to get a NASCAR. Also, when we did that like oval racing at the baseball diamonds the other day, I was like, all right, that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
And I don't have a good on-road car, so there's that. So I don't know where it's attached, but I selected the. It's really cold today, so it fogged up. It was in a hot car.
We're out here in the snow, bundled up, you know.
It was in a hot car. We just got out of a hot car.
Hey, do you want to feel NASCAR realism pumping through your veins?
I want something else. Never mind.
The speedway crowd roars as you slingshot past competitors.
Promise?
Power out of the corners.
Ryan Blaney.
Ryan, is that the guy?
That's the guy. That's you.
Is he
That's
him?
me.
Is that the guy?
It's
He,
him.
him?
He is him.
Is that?
Hey, this is great stuff, man.
We'll talk about that in a second.
Oh.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
That's a nice little pocket knife.
Thank you. I got
Why
it
is
at
it so
Yellowstone National
colorful?
Park.
Oh.
I was using it for paint.
Oh, okay.
Da, 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 da. There we go.
You're just gonna
So, I got this mainly because it says great stuff, and as you guys know, I'm a big fan of great stuff here on the channel. Cut to the clip. So yeah, that's pretty much
Is it
it.
just gonna be you just covering things in great stuff? Bella?
Is that the sharp side? There we go.
All right.
Do we not get demonetized for knives?
I don't think so.
Well, that's a whatever. It's not a knife.
So
we
pretty much the same remote as the Groms.
Correct.
That is exactly the same, actually.
yeah.
Yeah. Not a lick of
Basic
difference.
SLT2 receiver and remote combo.
Oh, it comes with batteries.
Batteries. And,
Oh, and some Losi stickers.
and you now have an extra Grom battery.
I do have an extra Grom battery, but I did bring 2 charged ones, so
Yeah.
I could play with it immediately. There are some.
Squishy, squishy. I shouldn't put my fingers here while you're carving the turkey from the backside.
From the back?
Yeah, you gotta carve the turkey from the back
I gotta
sometimes.
say, this is my first time holding one. It's a lot lighter than I thought. But anyway, also I do want to say, these are incredibly hard to get. I went to 2 hobby shops. I guess it's only 2, but I went to
That
2
sounds
hobby
dramatic.
shops. They're both like, yeah, we're sold out till the new year. And then allegedly, one of the guys at one of the hobby shops said that they're gonna do new bodies in March. So they're not getting any more of these. So I got this off Summit Racing.
Oh, that's where you ended up going?
Yeah, and it. To be fair, I ordered it. When did I text you guys? Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah.
And it came yesterday.
Yeah.
So
It's Saturday.
I think they do have a warehouse in Indiana. So yeah, it was 3 days, and
So
it
you're
was
saying I
there.
should
So
see if they have any in stock.
yeah. But here we go. That's a freshie right
That
there.
is a fresh unit. Yep. So they come RTR, as you've probably seen. They have the LiPo that comes with them, the AA's, the tools, the charger. That looks different than my charger pack that came fine. But it's the same
There's
charger.
orange on yours. I feel like all the rest of them have some sort of orange.
Right? I don't know.
You guys not smell the river that we're sitting next to?
That might be me.
No, because
Patrick
it's
is
only
the
right
river
here.
monster. Is that you? Oh, I got a whiff there.
Okay, there it is.
Thank you. Okay, I'm not going crazy.
Well, I wouldn't go that far,
yeah.
buddy. So it's Nick. Great stuff, guys. You should make the hood say, "What's up, guys?" Just like, oh wow, we almost watched that accident
yeah, there was
happen.
almost an accident.
If you guys didn't know, Zach's a famous YouTuber, not just A to Z fame, but what's up, guys? That's his channel name. Go look up.
It's
He does car reviews.
I can never remember which is positive.
I thought you were gonna
which
say I
is
can never
negative.
remember what my YouTube channel name is. But his catchphrase.
Is this where we close that gap? People are finally gonna know.
Oh no, his name is Zippy Magoo, not Zach.
Magoo. Now, in
Formerly known
January,
as Zach.
I'm putting out a video on that channel saying, "Hey, I have another channel."
Exposing yourself.
Yeah.
So guys, if you're here, congratulations, you've won. Drop it.
So, okay, that's the other thing. Everyone else has swapped theirs to rear-wheel drive.
Everyone else in the A to Z
Yeah.
world.
So Nick and Alex have swapped them. I'm gonna leave mine all-wheel drive for a little bit. Kind of enjoy it, drive it. I'll probably end up swapping it to rear wheel just to be.
I think you'll enjoy it all-wheel drive more, but we can definitely. Like, you can drive yours for a while and then drive one of
Am
ours.
I allowed to
and see.
race you guys if I'm in all-wheel drive, or is that a
Yeah.
different class?
We'll put you on.
have enough of a handicap that it should be fine.
There it is.
He ain't wrong.
there's no countering. There's like.
Yeah, I mean, you know, he got me dead to rights if we're being honest. All right, I'm gonna take it into the skate park.
All right. I really
I don't
thought
like
you were
driving
gonna.
on the salty roads.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I really thought you were gonna go just drive in the snow. And I was like, I don't know that that's what this is meant for, but let's find out.
It is all-wheel drive though.
It's
Oh.
all-wheel drive.
Traction.
Not. I mean, we're coming back. This is gonna give me PTSD to when you brought your Fortec out and then immediately just took it off jumps at a skate park.
I gotta take the gloves off. I can't
You
properly.
need some precision driving.
gloves.
Love it coming off.
Woo! Yeah, that's a good pupper. Oh, I thought you were just gonna rip it right off. Hell yeah. Yeah.
It's not as slow as I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's not like a ripper, but. What about a ripper?
A ripperoonie?
Also, now we have the Camry. You have a Camaro, right?
Me?
And I have the Mustang, yeah.
I have this body
Oh,
and
you
the
have a
Mustang.
Mustang? Oh, okay.
Both mine are Mustangs.
What's the other body that you have? I haven't seen
This
the other
one.
body. You have this body?
Yeah, because this is the
Oh.
one I wanted initially, but the one I found on Marketplace had the other body. But I
know that.
but I have the Horizon body that I'll just run whenever we race. Oh, just all the time. Yeah, this is sick. This makes me stoked to pull mine out.
There's a drop over there, by the way.
Oh yeah, you're
I
right.
did not see that, so thank you.
So hit it full speed to make it count. Yeah, this skate park has this sudden
Hold on.
drops. Stunts. Where is he going next? We don't know. I really thought you were gonna try and make it over that, but
I thought about it. I considered.
this clip is probably making everyone watching dizzy. That looks sick. The little marks.
Little victory lane action.
That's some gourmet shit.
little wall ride for you. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
Sick.
I'm very happy
It's
with
fun.
it.
And
It'll be fun, and I cannot wait till we have 3 or more.
Tyler
Why are you motioning
has
at
one
me?
too.
Tyler,
Oh, really?
Yeah, Tyler has one. He wants me to buy one.
Don't motion me.
Duh, bummer. I know somewhere you can
Not
get
bad.
them.
But like, have them all
It'd be
like
sick.
gridded up. Like that would be
Did
tough.
you
Doing
say
ovals.
Moore's has a... Moore's Track has a competition?
Yeah, Thunderdome and Morris, I think it is, has
yeah, Thunderdome.
a box stock series.
There you go, series. That's what I was
Yeah.
thinking of.
Let's
So
do it. But yeah, it'll be cool. We'll do some NASCAR stuff.
Some great stuff.
yep. So
Yeah.
stay tuned for that.